I'm gonna show you how you can create a simple game of guessing a number in QBASIC. So let's get started. So first of all, it's CLS, of course, and then print. Let's say guess a number between 1 and 10. So this is gonna be colon inside quotation marks and then semicolon, and then we'll put input num. Okay, input num because it's number, and then we'll go to if. We'll say if in bracket number num is less than 1 or num is greater than 10, then print it should be between 1 and 10, or let's say the number should be between 1 and 10. Enter, and then go to start. Sorry, first of all, after CLS we're gonna put start with colon. Okay, so then we'll go to start here. That's how we're gonna do, and then end if. Okay, and then if inside bracket num is equal to, let's say, 7, then print correct. Okay, so our number is 7. If the user guesses the number 7, then the program is going to show correct. Okay, else print try again. So if the number is not 7, then it's going to say try again. Print, just print, then go to start, and if. Okay, so our program is ready. Let me check if there's any error here. I don't think there is any error. So let's run the program, pressing the F5 key. Press F5, and then you'll see the program running. So let's guess a number. It says guess a number between 1 and 10. Let's see. If we press 6, enter, then it says try again. So now let's enter a number greater than 10. 12. Okay, the number should be between 1 and 10. Okay, less than 1 is 0. Let's put 0. The number should be between 1 and 10. Now let's enter the correct number, 7. Enter, and it says correct. Now the program is done. It says press any key to continue. So we have created a simple program. That's a game, simple game that allows a user to guess a number, and if the number is correct, it's gonna say correct. So that's all for this video.